Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing and demonstrating the Ryobi One Jigsaw, the P523 model. Really happy with this jigsaw. It's got a toolless clamp for the blade. You just rotate it, slide the blade in, and then rotate it back. It also has adjustable speed, two types of adjustments, and one of them is by material, and the other is a variable speed dial on the top of the jigsaw, allowing you to adjust the strokes per minute. This jigsaw is fairly quiet and extremely powerful, and I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate it here. So if you want to turn down the volume, you may want to do so now. I'm using a scrap piece of plywood I had laying around. I just decided to make a little box to demonstrate the tool and demonstrate a different tool as well that I'll do in a later video, a review and demonstration on. Really, I just wanted to show how quickly it cuts, how easily it cuts, and how straight the jigsaw cuts. I am using a fairly new Bosch jigsaw blade made for cutting wood. I'm also using the Ryobi HP battery, and so the jigsaw is functioning really well. It functions well all the time. I actually had two corded jigsaws that I replaced with this Ryobi One Jigsaw. I thought it would actually be less powerful than my old corded ones, but I was wrong. This jigsaw is actually much more powerful than my old corded versions, and it really is handy to lose that cord with this tool. It's important with jigsaws to be safe, and with that cord, it kind of can get tangled up in things way easier than running a jigsaw with a battery. If you're watching this video, you may be thinking about purchasing this jigsaw in particular, and I have to say I'm really happy with this jigsaw. If you are purchasing a jigsaw, just be safe. Follow all the precautions when it comes to the tool. Wear the eye protection. Make sure your hands are out of the way of the blade. Make sure you're under control with the tool. But I will say I'm really happy with this tool in particular. I think losing the cord on this tool keeps it safe, and I would recommend it to anybody I know. I am thrilled with the tool's performance, and I'm happy I bought it. Keep checking my channel for more tool reviews or 3D printing videos or CNC videos, and go ahead and click subscribe if you want to.